Bluey ran through the forest fast. Bingo chased her laughing loud. Suddenly the trees shook heavy. Muffin screamed, "What is happening? Could something be coming?" Bandit grabbed a branch ready. Chilli held socks close tight. Rusty pointed at a glowing cave hidden behind vines. Could this be dangerous? The cave door opened slowly, eerie. Blue light spilled out onto the ground bright. Indy whispered, "Is it alive? Could it be magical?" Inside the cave, crystals jutted from the walls tall. The air hummed like music strange. Bluey stepped forward, careful, brave. Could the crystals hold a secret? A shadow moved across the cavern floor fast. Bingo shouted, "Look out behind!" The shadow rose, forming a giant fox glowing. Could it be guarding the cave? The fox's eyes shone orange, fierce. It stepped closer, slowly threatening. Muffin clutched Bluey's paw, shaking. Could they survive this challenge? Bandit raised the branch firm. Chilli whispered, "We need to stay calm." Rusty nodded, ready, holding his torch high. Could courage win over fear? Bluey held her balloon up, glowing bright. The light reflected in the fox's eyes, soft. Bingo threw a crystal rock, hitting the ground near it. Could this distract it? Suddenly the fox stopped moving still. It tilted its head, curious. The crystals around them shimmered brighter. Could the magic be calming it? Bluey took a deep breath and stepped forward. She whispered, "We mean no harm." The fox's tail swished slowly. Could it trust them now? The cavern shook slightly, gentle. A passage opened behind the fox, glowing. Muffin squealed, "Follow it quick." Could this lead to treasure? They ran through the passage fast. Walls sparkled like stars moving. Rusty laughed, amazed. Indy gasped, "This is incredible. Could adventure be endless?" At the end lay a golden chest, shining bright. Bluey opened it carefully, proud. Inside, a crystal crown glowed soft. Could this crown hold the key to more adventures? Everyone gathered around, smiling. Bluey lifted the crown high. Bingo cheered loud. And if you want to join the next magical quest, hit like, tap subscribe, and step in with the Healer family.